Hi, I'm going to pick a winner for one Karen Latte Cakes. And if you aren't a winner but you're still interested, I'll post a link down below, and Amazon has it on sale if you want to take a look at their different varieties. These are their different colors they have. Of course, you can find them in or like not Walmart, but Michael's. I found mine at Michael's, and it was $10, and I had the um, 40% coupon, so I got it 40% off $10, which wasn't bad at all. It's a really nice soft textured yarn. It's great for shawls. Anyway, so if you want to take a look, the link is down below. The winner, I picked one winner, and that person needs to contact me with my email, which is down below in the description below this video. And give me your contact information, and I'll send this out as soon as possible. I want to say thank you to everybody that subscribed and watched that video, but always tunes in for my crochet videos, and sometimes I like to do arts and crafts and on this channel. And look out for future giveaways, and please make sure you subscribe to participate. So the winner is Pamela Dale. This looks lovely. Not sure what I would do with this yet, as so many things you could do. I would prefer to see and feel it first. Well, congratulations, and it feels really nice, like I said. Also, make sure that you contact me with your information, and I'll send this out as soon as possible. Thank you, everybody, for watching.